Sitting here, you're like, I need to drink every day. I need to drink. Life is hard. I'm an adult. I need a drink. I'm gonna tell you what it's like to basically drink every day. All right, self-explanatory. Hi, my name is A. Rashad. I'm 27 years old. Talk about stuff that I went through in my life as it pertains to me. I'm pretty sure I heard that off of, was that Biggie? Dun, 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 dun. Hey, this one goes out to you. Nah, that wasn't Machine Gun Funk. What was that? Kick in the door. Yeah. Anyways, sidetrack. When it comes to drinking every day, all right. Early on in a lot of my videos, I would sit there and drink and drink and drink and drink. All right. Now, it started with me. I've always liked drinking. Okay. Ever since I was like 15, 16, I would try and sneak and get some. I wouldn't drink like as far as school and all that, because I cared about weightlifting too much. All right. But when it came to drinking, I noticed very early on I was functional. Even when they gave the little drunk goggles, they're like, see how you can drive drunk. I had never driven a vehicle at all. I hit 2 cones at that. Everyone else was just slamming into everything. And I'm like, you know what? This is kind of weird. Like, so if I knew how to drive a vehicle, then I don't think I would have hit anything. So I've always been very functional as an alcoholic. Okay. So fast forward, we get to, I ain't even say college, because college, you basically have to drink every day. Like it's kind of, if you pledge for like a frat, like a white frat, not so much in the black fraternities, but white frat, they make you drink all the time. Like, and that's pretty terrible. That's actually really horrible. I don't know why anyone would do that. But fast forwarding to, around the time that I start my YouTube, I'm like, you know what? I'm kind of nervous. So I have a little drink, just to be able to talk, because I feel like, I can speak more when I drink, because I'm naturally shy. So sit there, start drinking. Maybe a beer, maybe a beer or two. Then next thing you know, boom, okay, let me take a couple shots. I'm still functional. I'm having fun with it. So I'm sitting there, come home every day, shoot reaction videos every single day, multiple ones. I'm probably shooting like 6 or 7. There was a point where I was even at in training during the job that I was at the bank. I would come home for the hour lunch, shoot like 2 or 3 videos, and do stuff like that. All right. Now, if only I knew how to make actual like crazy content and all that, as opposed to reactions, like my grind would be amazing. All right. But I was doing all that. So then it becomes, you know what? I can keep drinking every day. I don't really have a problem with it. Now, what happened from that was I noticed I weighed more. I'm looking at my face now. Like, I'm looking at my structure, and I'm looking back then. I had a puffier face. Like, I don't look as lean. I didn't look as lean, all right? I was around the same weight, but I didn't look as lean. I was dirty bulk, basically, all right? And I couldn't really see it. I wasn't, going to the gym as much. I would just sit there, drink, wake up. If I did go to the gym, it feels like I would be impeded as far as my weightlifting and all that. I think I was doing 5-3-1, that program. And then later on, to which I switched to now Alpha Destiny's program, Naturally Enhanced. I wasn't healing up properly, all right? And I'm just being lazy. So I wake up, just, my head hurts. Repeat the process, right? So I film. And then Friday would come around, and, I link up with Philly Phil, my homie, link up with him, and then we sit there and drink. And now it's another person there. So, you always trying to sit there and drink a whole bunch when it's another person. So I'm drinking even more. Saturday come around, go out to a club or whatever, I'm drinking. Sunday come around, guess what I'm doing? I'm drinking again also. I would just be tired. I would experience a whole bunch of depression. It's a depressant, all right? I would experience tons of depression, and it seems like mood swings off of it. I'm naturally kind of a moody person, but it seemed like mine were just worse. It was getting worse, all right? My food selection was terrible. I'm just sitting there ready to eat some terribly trashy food. So I'm just sitting there basically drinking all the time and eating garbage food and just Oh, time to get drunk again. My tolerance is high because I've been drinking days in a row. I should be good. It got to a point where I was just like, you know what? I don't I don't know if I can do this every single day. It just wasn't fun. Like everywhere I go, it was just drinking. All right. Now that's probably my only vice because I still do drink, but it's not. It might be 2 days or a day, but it's never on that level. Like I was going through probably a half a bottle in a day. For one person, half a bottle in shots. That's crazy. Because I would come through here, have a mixed drink, and then next thing I would take a shot with that mixed drink. So it'd be a shot waiting right here, and chase it with also alcohol and like a mix of like probably pineapple cranberry. So yeah, it's terrible for you. Like if you're doing that, I'm telling you, please stop. You will notice that your life it seems, but I know drinking makes everything fun. Let's be real. Parties, if you go sober, it sucks. So if you're gonna do it, save it for that. You know, you go out at a party, you drunk, you have fun, it's good music and all that. But if you just sitting at the comfort in your own home and you just are drinking every single day in a high quantity, stop it and see how you feel. That depression gonna hit you. You can be like, dang, like stupid man, I don't know what I'm doing in my life. Once that depression hits you, you realize, you know, hey, like I really kind of been escaping my problems a little bit. So yeah, I don't try and drink as much on here or in general because it just seemed like I was reckless on YouTube. Not even, yeah, reckless. Because I would say something, I'm like, you know what? I should say this. Well, now I can say what I said when I was drunk, but sober me, I can, what is the word? I can analyze it a little bit better so I can say it and word it much better as opposed to someone drunk just, I didn't like it. You're going to take that like, oh, he's drunk and stupid. He's an idiot. You know what he's talking about at all, which is why, like I said, I don't try and drink as much on here because it's not worth it. All right. Another thing that happens from drinking all the time is all the money you're losing. Like for me, I was like Crown Gang, Crown this, Crown that. Now the bottles I was getting, they were the liters, so they cost $37, right? Now if I'm running through 3 of them in a week, 30, 60, 90, 7, 14, 21, so that would be $111. $111 that I'm spending per week in alcohol. All right, $111. You know what else I could spend that on? I could put that on to editors or something. I could put that to promotion, like go to Facebook, promote some of my games and all that. I could have did that. Instead, I'm blowing it on alcohol, just to be in the crib, just saying, I'm drunk. Can someone hang me? Can I get picked up? Or better yet, driving or something like that. I'm not saying I did. You know what I'm saying? But it's just I felt like I lost a whole bunch of time, honestly, just from doing that. Like, cause it's just blurs. I'm like, I said that in the video? Like, oh, I really said that? Even though I do that now, cause I'm wild with saying stuff, but it would be stuff that I really just didn't even remember filming the video. I'm there looking stupid and people are looking like, yeah, it's cool and all, but if a younger kid or someone is looking at me, they're gonna sit there and see a drunken idiot like, oh, he's stupid. Or they might sit there and be like, you know what, I can drink too. He's on YouTube doing it. And I hated it. I don't like the way that it is. It's not to say that I won't ever drink on YouTube. I'm not saying that that won't happen. But I'm saying, like, as the level I was getting, where I was just belligerently drunk every single day, that's not happening with me. I don't want that to happen with me. I feel so much better now. Like, everything just feels clear, and I just feel like I'm healthy. All right, I'm drinking freaking water. I feel healthy, as opposed to just sitting there feeling sluggish. Like, I need to do some cardio, but I can't. I'm struggling with the cardio because I'm sweating out freaking alcohol all the time. Just out of shape, like overweight CJ out San Andreas, man. So if you dealt with drinking a whole bunch, let me know in the comment section below. Let me know how your battle has been with it. Have you been successful? If you failing or whatever? Like I said, I'm here just to motivate and just tell you from my viewpoint. whatever you choose to do, that's what you choose to do. I can't be mad at you, but I'm just saying, from a 27-year-old man's viewpoint, like, it's got to be different. But, you know what I'm saying, if you on vacation, that's the one stipulating, you on vacation, you're crazy, you eating bite, With that said, if you like this, let me know in the comment section below. Let me know also other topics related to stuff like this. You can hit my email, or also hit me on Instagram. With that, Zay Rashad out.